she's kind of loving. Oh, she fell asleep, my love. Oh, look at that. So I carry her to put in there. Because I found she's standing on the floor, waiting for me. See? Oh, she's working and trying to lay her eggs. Oh, she feels so fresh and windy. Because it's windy here, my love, no? Oh, you're sleepy. Look at her eyes. She's tired finding her eggs. I hide in the oven. I hide in there inside. Because maybe the cat will eat it. Okay. Now, go.